Hey everyone. So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on advanced protection in Gmail. This feature is perfect for users who want maximum security, like journalists, business accounts, or anyone serious about protecting sensitive information. This full step-by-step guide for 2026 will make sure your Gmail stays secure. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign into the Gmail account you want to protect. Next, click Security in the left-hand menu. Scroll down to Advanced Protection Program. This is where you can enroll your account in Google's highest level of protection. Click Get Started to begin enrollment. You'll need at least two physical security keys, like a USB key or a Bluetooth key. Yeah, it's a bit extra, but this is what makes your Gmail super secure. Follow the instructions to add your first security key. Insert the key into your device or connect via Bluetooth. Then add a second key as backup in case you lose the first one. After adding keys, review your Gmail account settings, make sure your recovery email and phone are correct, and remove any unnecessary third-party app access. Once you've completed the steps, your account is now enrolled in advanced protection. Yeah, this prevents phishing, unauthorized logins, and keeps your Gmail highly secure. For US users, make sure your devices are compatible with security keys and that Google account region settings are correct. This ensures the keys work without issues. And yeah, that's how to turn on advanced protection in Gmail step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you secure your account, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.